Discover the captivating world of the cormorant. Dive into the meaning behind this magnificent bird. From their sleek feathers to their impressive fishing skills, learn why they symbolize bravery and independence. Embrace the spirit of the cormorant and embark on your own fearless journeys. This is the 7th video in the series Basic Ways of Healing Yourself in Nature. The ancient art of walking around. Humans use this simple act to connect, explore, and thrive since ancient time, where walks was not just a means of transport, but a way of life. You can use walking in nature for a various amount of relief, just with the sounds of your footsteps connecting you to your surroundings. A journey, a discovery. You don't have to travel to do this. Just pick a nature spot in your surroundings. Walk around in the place you live. Explore. Step out from the chaos and embrace the calm. Let the gentle whisper of nature soothe your senses. The voice of the wind is your escape from the noise, your invitation to tranquility. Feel the breeze brush against your skin. Listen to the leaves rustle, and let yourself be transported to a world of serenity. Experience the joy of moving in sync with nature's vibrant rhythm. Rediscover the serenity of the pace of nature. Let its gentle rhythm soothe your soul and awaken your senses. Immerse yourself in breathtaking landscapes where time slows down and the beauty of the natural world unfolds. Escape the hustle and bustle and find solace in the tranquility that only Mother Nature can provide. Feel the rush of adrenaline as your heart syncs with the rhythm of nature. Keep moving and let your dreams unfold. Life is a journey best experienced when we stay in motion. Embrace every step along the way and create memories that last a lifetime. So lace up your sneakers, fuel your passion, and embark on a remarkable adventure. Elevate your vibe. Stay in a state of high vibration while on the move. Embrace positivity and radiate good energy everywhere you go. Smile. Immerse yourself in nature's symphony and feel the soothing vibrations of tranquil sounds. Unwind, relax, and rejuvenate your senses with the harmonious melodies of nature. Let Mother Earth's rhythms resonate within you, bringing peace, balance, and tranquility to your life. Unleash the power of vibration and embrace the beauty of nature. Unleash the electrifying power of nature's electrons. Feel the energy surge through your body and invigorate your senses. Embrace the natural charge and experience a vibrant, connected life. Say goodbye to dull and hello to the electrifying buzz of nature's finest electrons. This simple act of walking will provide you with fast healing in various ways, from stress relief to losing both physical and mental weight from your system. Cleaning your body and mind towards a happier life. You can listen to the soundscape in the rest of this video as a background for relaxing and meditation. It is tuned in the Nikola Tesla 369 frequency with 432 Hz that will help you lifting your mind to a higher state and connection with yourself. I will, as always, put some scientific links in the description box below. I will soon return with new content on this channel. Stay kind and shine your light.